Louder.
Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you're having a great day. So yeah, today we're gonna be playing some Tycoon. We've never played this before, so I thought we might. I've never played this before, so I thought let's not try it. Let's try it. Yeah, it seems pretty cool. I don't have money up here. Okay. This is so cheap. Okay, so this seems really cool. I'm getting it. I'm pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna save up for 700. So yeah, it's a pretty cool game. I'm liking it. How much gems do I have? Okay, we're gonna buy the entertainment store. This is weird, but okay. I'm just gonna keep upgrading my stuff. $20 per tap, that's pretty good. Oh, the tap master. 28 per thing. Wow, per tap. My bad. Don't kill me in the comments. Wow, I'm so good. Yeah, make it rain. Make it rain. Oh, oh, oh. $30 a tab. I can make a lot of money. This game's pretty cool. It's kind of like, it's different. I saw this in the store. I'm like, I don't know. It doesn't look that good, but why not? So I got it. But it's actually really cool. I like it. It's a good job. Okay, only 4K. We gotta upgrade our stuff. I'm a master Tapatron. It cost a lot of money though. Yay, 50 per tap. I can get a lot of hundreds with this. Okay, we're getting a lot of money. Let's save up for the next business. Oh boy, what was that? What are you doing, man? Can you go away? Oh, okay. What was that? That guy's weird. He's weird. Well, this guy. I like this. This is pretty cool, actually. What the heck is he doing? This is cool. We get more than the other thing. We get more than the entertainment. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Make it rain. Okay, we're doing pretty good in this. You need at least 20,000 to prestige. Okay. Auto clock. I need that. Yes. Dang, okay. Oh my god, I like that. That's so cool. Yeah, give me it. Thanks for the diamond. I'll make a diamond in the sky. Oh, that's cool. Because we can make it like no, 10. That'd be AK. That'd be cool. Okay, let's do that. 61, okay. Let's buy max. No, max ain't good. 100, because that's actually... That's a million, okay. Gotta save up for 1 million. Dude, your plow is sick. You missed one, though. $10K, $10K, $10K. No store, but post office. Yeah, boss. Yeah, but post office. The post office? How much does it earn? 1K per sec. Let's stop. Okay, okay, okay. 1. You can't follow me. God, this guy's going crazy. He's just grabbing the money and throwing it in his pocket. I like this. This is pretty cool. This is a good game. I don't know how long I'll be doing this video. If you definitely want to see more of this game, definitely tell me. It's like a venture capitalist, but it's a little bit harder. Which I like. I like a challenge. Oh my god, I'm just making it rain. Make it. Yeah, we're doing good, guys. We got 30K. But if we upgrade our guy's tap up a lot. So 1K per 30 times? That'd be hard. Okay, no, we're not gonna do that. Trillion, 20 trillion, dude. That's a lot. Wow. can't. I can't do that. No. So yeah, guys, I just want to talk about what happened today, cause it's pretty cool. So if you don't know, I play baseball. It's like my favorite sport, and I played it, and we won a game, so that's pretty good. Cardinals versus we won like 18-7. I'm pretty sure we won, so yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. You won't see stuff like this anywhere else. Oh, hey, Rocket Man, crazy Rocket Man. Business, supercharge, 14 seconds. Oh, that was cool. Thank you, dude. It's been a couple days. This guy's gonna stop somewhere. No, okay. Thank you very much. Bum, 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 bum. We are 60K right now. We are going. Should I get the autocorrect? Yeah, because when I'm not playing. That was a lot of money, though. So yeah, guys. It's cool. I like this game. It's a pretty good game. Thank you for just driving away. That helped a lot. Gave me a bunch of money, and then I picked this all up. Hey, you left $7. Grab it all. Grab it. Jetpack dude. Thank you. This is a fun game, actually. It's really fast paced. Can we get 100 per tap? No, okay. Everyone's going greedy for that, though. I wanted that. I really wanted that. Bum, 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 bum. We're doing pretty good. Yeah, come on with that dumpster. That car. Get down. Yeah. Now get this money. That's cool. I definitely suggest getting this. This is a fun game. Yeah, Yep. It's pretty good. Why would they have chocolate covered hot dog? That's a funny thing. Yes, 100 per tap. Oh, get that cash money. Cash money, bruh. You going happy? You happy? You got that cash money? 100 per second. A tap. Stats. Time played. I've been playing this for 12 minutes. Not that accurate, because I've actually been playing this for 13. Total taps. Oh my gosh, that's cool. I have a lot of taps. Prestige can. Oh, Rocketman. Don't. Okay, Rocketman. Thank you. What? Oh my god, I thought she was like taking from us with that chainsaw. Yeah, bruh. That cash money. Give me that cash money. What are you doing? Auto tap. Oh my god. This is cool. Come on, man. You see me. You see this giant? I'm taller than buildings. Come on, buy from me. That's why he gets all the money, because when people shoot the money into the air, he just grabs it. So mean. Soon we're gonna have 1,000 per tap, and we're gonna be super good. But that ain't now. Should we get a chocolate covered hot dog? No. We'll get that when we have 80,000. You can't believe now. Bum, 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 no. Wait, let's go back to our stats. Total profit. Oh, I've got 200 something K. That's my awesome stats. Hey! Oh! What do you get me? 1 diamond? 1 diamond! Thank you, we get 1 diamond. Yep. If you're still watching this video, you're a champ, dude. Thank you. If you've still been watching this video, grab all that cash money. Yep, we're doing so good at this. Oh my god. This is actually really cool. Nice. Don't you worry, don't you worry. I'm your friend, don't you worry. Oh, we should have been upgrading this, but okay. We're gonna get the power plant soon. 10k every 1 minute. That's pretty good. I like that. Wait, the hotel gets you 1k every 4 minutes? That's way better. But it's 3 million. Why does things cost so much? Rocket guy. Oh, he gave me money. This dude's cool. Got 100,000. I would say we're doing pretty good. Yeah, we're doing pretty good, We're doing pretty good. Sorry, I'm just losing stuff to talk about. Because when I do a commentary for 16 minutes, I lose my mind. Yeah, there you go. Give me that cash money. I gotta upgrade my restaurant. 500 every second. Thank you. What's that? Yeah, the auto tapper. What? That's a sign of the police. It takes me 1 second to get that much. This is a cool game. I really like this. I know I've been saying that a lot, but this is actually really cool. Make it rain. It is literally making it rain right now. It's like doomsday device. You know how they killed the world? They made it rain. That would actually kill the world. People would all be fighting over money. They'd be killing each other because of the money. And everybody would be dead besides one person because he survived. Or they just bombed everybody and took the money. Oh my god, he can't even get all the money. Look at that. Oh my god, he's just grabbing money. This is cool. I like this. We can actually get this business. Oh my gosh, 10k per minute. Ooh, that's a lot.